Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change voice message transcript language in WhatsApp. So, if you are already using the WhatsApp voice message transcript and now you want to change it or you want to change the language, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change the WhatsApp voice message transcript language, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. On your Android, click on three dots at the top right. Select settings. Now, once you select the settings, you want to scroll down the settings page, locate charts, and then click on it. Now, once you selected charts, scroll down the page, then you're going to say transcript language. So here, to change your transcript language, just go ahead and click on that. Now, once you click on transcript language here, you're going to have access to all supported languages on your phone. So in this case, on my Android phone at this moment, there are just 4 languages supported. If you're using iPhone, there are multiple languages supported. I can just go ahead and search through. Then select language you want to change to. Then once you select the language you want to change to, then you're going to see the language change to it here under transcript language. Now, to use the voice message transcript on your phone, all you just need to do is scroll down to the voice message, press and hold it, click on three dots at the top right, then click on transcript or change language, whatever it is. So you're going to see it transcribing here, and then the audio is going to transcribe to the newly selected language. So this is provided if the language is in the So if you say transcript unavailable, that implies that language is not in the selected language. So you need to make sure you select the exact language the audio message was in before you can transcribe it. So that is basically how to change voice message transcript language in WhatsApp. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.